it amounts to nothing more than a waste of taxpayers' dollars.
All new at 6, some high-profile power attorneys in Southwest Florida saying your attorney general in Florida, Pam Bondi, is wasting your money on an effort to keep the ban on gay marriage in place in Florida. They say it's going to end in failure no matter what she does. So why is she still at it? 4 in Your Corner's Warren Wright has more on why critics of Florida's attorney general believe she's doing more harm than good and how her office is responding to this criticism. Warren?
Well, Pam Bondi wouldn't agree to an interview request today on the issue of maintaining the gay marriage ban, but did make a post on her website saying she will not back down. Some local attorneys say this is nothing more than political theater, where everyone already knows the ending.
It's obviously a political football at this particular point, but when you remove the politics of the issue and you leave it to its legalities, there's no way she can win.
Same-sex couples can legally marry in 32 states and the District of Columbia, while 18 states, including Florida, have a constitutional amendment in effect restricting marriage to the union of one man and one woman. But a number of high-profile Republican governors and state attorneys have stopped trying to fight the issue through the appeals court. Family law counselor Luis Insignieri says Florida Attorney General Pam Bondi refuses to recognize the obvious.
The interesting thing about this whole fight that the Attorney General seems to be wanting to continue is that every argument that she has made in any of the cases that are pending in the state of Florida, those arguments have been rejected at the federal level.
So while Bondi winds her way through the state courts and the appellate process, where it will eventually make its way to a federal court, it's pretty much understood how the federal judges will rule. It's why the highest court in the land didn't even bother to rule on the issue.
The U.S. Supreme Court is not going to speak on the issue because there is no division among the federal district courts.
Regardless, in the brief Bondi filed this morning, she states, quote, "It is in the public interest to at least allow Florida's highest court an opportunity to review the issue before ordering changes to Florida's law."
Now, the Lee County Clerk of Court has already reviewed what changes it needs to make with the wording of legal documents for same-sex marriages. The clerk is ready to implement those changes immediately once all those legal issues are resolved. Warren Wright, Fox 4, in your corner.
Bondi's Democratic challenger, George Sheldon, also says she's making a big mistake in fighting to keep the ban in place. What do you think? Call us 239-206-FOX4 or email us at news@fox4now.com.